Alright, so this is week 5 for differential equations class. Let's see. We're covering the last section of chapter 1, that's section 7, and we're finishing up with the first order differential equations, and next week we will be starting the second order. So under the learning resources, I posted 2 videos. The second one is, I want to say it's optional, but still it's a very good review. Probably when you're preparing for exam 2, this might be a good overall review of chapter 1, but for this week, I think the first video should really help you to clear out some of the conceptual things it talks about that's covered in the book reading. Okay, so for this week's assignments, you have discussion 5, the discussion board for week 5, and the only question I want to ask is how much time did you spend completing last week's homework? And feel free to share anything else about the course. And I've posted the homework 5 preview to help you guys get started with the homework 5, and the homework is posted. Oh, I think I would have to update the due date. And both the homework and the discussion board will be due on October 4th by midnight.